in my country, you're not supposed to talk about these things in public. But when you have problems, you should talk about it with someone you can trust. But in Australia, it's okay to talk about these things. You can talk about this with your sex partner and health professionals like doctors or nurses.
An STI is a sexually transmitted infection spread through sexual contact. Not many people realise that STIs are really common. It's important that people understand this so they know how to protect themselves.
I don't really know what sex diseases are in Australia.
I only know about HIV and AIDS. I don't know anything about others.
There are many types of STIs. The common ones in Australia are chlamydia, gonorrhea, herpes, and hepatitis B. Syphilis and HIV also occur in Australia, but they are less common.
People who have an STI often feel completely well and don't know that they have an infection. They look and feel healthy, but the infection can be like damaging them inside, and they can pass on the infection to their sex partners.
Anyone who has had sex without a condom could be at risk of having an STI. But it's not all bad news, because most STIs are easy to treat.
Where I'm from, buying condoms is really awkward and embarrassing. But here it's better. There's no shame in buying condoms and talking about STIs.
There are many free clinics and services in Australia that you can go to talk about STIs and sexual health. If you don't know where to go or have a question, you can start by calling the Sexual Health Helpline on 9227 6178. They are there to help, and no question is too embarrassing to ask. Remember that the information you tell a doctor or nurse will not be shared with anybody. This includes your university, school, or immigration.
For other international students, my message to you is protect yourself, your sex partners, and protect your family.